Hey, I want to tell you a secret. If you're a child in Malawi, in Africa, or anywhere in the world, this might be the most important thing you ever hear. It could be the difference between struggling your whole life and building a future that's rich, free, and full of opportunity. You're probably wondering, what's the secret? Let's start with what you've been told. Most of us go to school with a dream, become a doctor, a lawyer, a banker, maybe even a soldier. And we think, if I get there, I'll be successful, I'll be rich. But here's the truth. No one talks about not all doctors are rich. Not all lawyers are successful. And most young people have no idea what people in those jobs actually earn. They don't do the research. So, but what makes the difference between those who struggle in their career and those who thrive? It comes down to one skill, a skill that every successful person today either has or is learning fast. That skill is computer literacy. Think about it. The voice you're hearing right now, generated by a computer, the words, written, edited, and shared through computer technology. Every single day, computers are getting smarter. Right now, you can be on TikTok or Facebook and not even know if you're watching and following a human or an AI. Africa is behind. In many developed countries, teachers already work side by side with computers to give students the best education possible. And in the future, computers will teach faster, adapt better, and open doors that human-only learning cannot. Someone who doesn't use computers is like a sailor navigating by the stars versus someone who is flying a rocket. The sailor will take so much time to reach the destination, but the spacecraft moves faster, goes farther, and explores places the sailor could never imagine. That's the gap. That's why if you're a young person in Malawi or anywhere, refuse to settle for an education that ignores ICT. Computers aren't just the future, they are the key. We at New Era Private Schools truly believe that. That's why we are all about computers. Parents, request for a prospectus by visiting the website above.